So that the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of the product of the two functions sin x times cos x equals 2. For this problem we need to exploit some significant trigonometric identities. For example, sine of x plus x, this equals the following sum of two products is sin x times cos x plus cos x times sin x. This is 2 times sin x times cos x. From here we get that the sine of 2x equals 2 times sin x times cos x. So we obtain the following. So the integral from 0 to pi over 2 is the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of sine 2x over 2 dx. Cos pi is minus 1 and cosinus of 0 is 1. So this is minus 2, this is 2. As a consequence, the desired value of the integral equals 2.